Following Prime Minister Modi's proposal, 21st June was marked as a date to celebrate International Yoga Day. 21st June is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, which holds special significance in many parts of the world. Namaste, this is your host and host Tanya. Welcome to the channel, The Volume. In this video, we're gonna talk about some incredible facts about yoga. Today, over 36 million people practicing yoga in USA and around 300 million people practice yoga globally. Day by day, popularity of yoga is growing in USA. It is the second most popular exercise in USA. Especially women prefer it so much because it's easy to perform and it doesn't require a specific place to exercise, which is very comfortable. Bali, Thailand, and of course India itself all have huge yoga tourism and they are growing bigger every year. This is a graph which will show you increasing popularity of yoga from 2004 to 2020. Yoga is also banned in many countries. While many know that yoga is ancient form of physical and mental exercise, many are surprised to know that not everyone is a fan of ancient India. In some countries, it has been banned altogether, or at least in certain places. The most common reason for banning yoga is because it comes from India, and there are fears that it could spread Hindu religion. Muslims in several countries, including Indonesia and Malaysia, are officially banned doing yoga by fatwa. These Muslim majority countries see yoga practice as a form of Hinduism and believe that it is an improper form of worship. Organization of Islamic Cooperation IOC did not co-sponsor the Yoga Day proposal. There are few OIC member countries also did not co-sponsor such as Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Brunei, Libya and many more countries. It is surprising that in 2015 Russia also banned yoga. Many yogis have also spoken about yoga. One of the great yogi, Lord Krishna, has also described yoga in his Bhagavad Gita like Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga, Dhyan Yoga, Siddhi Yoga and many more. It means yoga is not only the physical exercise but it is spiritual exercise too. Yoga helps you to connect with nature. Yoga helps you to improve your thinking skill and give you creative mindset. Yoga is a term come from Sanskrit word yog. Yog is another word for samadhi. When someone takes samadhi, they become yogi. Today, the world is getting the knowledge of yoga. For this, we should say thanks to Maharishi Patanajli because he again put the lost knowledge of yoga in front of people 5,000 years ago. Maharishi Patanjali is a sage believed to have lived around 2nd century, known for his treatise on yoga, Patanjali Yoga Sutra. He was not only an authority on the science of yoga but also a researcher of yoga. His life remains as a puzzle for modern day historians.